Welcome to my channel. My name is Lillian from DreamerHouseWife, and today I wanted to share with you guys a recipe. It is not a fancy recipe. It is a super simple but delicious pumpkin cheesecake that I have been making for several years. I make it every year for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, and it's always a hit and something that is always requested that I make every holiday. So let me go ahead and show you guys this delicious recipe. I preheated the oven at 350. So you're going to need 3 8-ounce packages of room temperature cream cheese. You're going to need some vanilla, some pumpkin pie spice, some pumpkin puree, 2 6-ounce graham cracker pie crust, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, a half a cup of sour cream, 1.5 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs plus 2 egg yolks. On medium speed, you're going to beat the cream cheese, the brown sugar, and the sugar until light. Beat 1 egg at a time. Now beat in 1 cup of pumpkin puree, the sour cream, and vanilla. Reduce speed to low and beat in flour and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. I evenly distributed the filling into 2 pies. Here I have 2 pie dishes with 2 inches of hot water. You don't have to use a pie dish. You could use any pan that is going to be wide enough and deep enough to add the pies in. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven for 55 minutes. This came out looking perfect. So when you take this out of the oven, it's going to be slightly jiggly. That's fine because the cake will firm as it cools. Right when it comes out of the oven, you're going to go ahead and take this out and let it cool to room temperature. Then you're going to chill for at least 10 hours and it will be good for up to 2 days. This recipe is a creamy, rich pumpkin cheesecake. I'm going to try to find the link to this recipe. If I cannot, I will put the recipe down in the description below. So that was my super simple but delicious pumpkin cheesecake recipe. Hopefully you guys try it and make it. It is nothing fancy, but it is just as good if it would have been. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an amazing day and Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.